Hi. What's the difference between a tiger and a domestic cat? Each year, the amount of people it kills. Buckle up if you weren't anticipating that response. Before I start, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Here are some deadly animal facts. If the Komodo dragon's lethal bite fails to kill its prey, the bacteria in its mouth will. Bites are frequently infected, resulting in the death of the afflicted animal. More people have been killed by buffalo than by any other animal in Africa. Another deadly insect is the tsetse fly, which is thought to kill 10,000 people each year due to sickness. Boars have been known to circle humans and attack from behind. Their tusks, which are long and pointed, can cause fatal wounds. It's hard to believe, but the deadliest animal in North America is the deer. By the way, if you own a dog or only dream about having a puppy, Consider about taking an online dog training course by Adrienne. She developed a unique training system and have been helping people to eliminate bad behaviors in dogs and train well-behaved, obedient, loving pet by showing them how to bring out the hidden intelligence inside their dog. Link in the description below. In half an hour, a band of hyenas can kill and eat an entire zebra. A pufferfish's poison is strong enough to kill 30 people. With their razor-sharp teeth, a school of piranhas can strip a cow down to its skeleton in minutes. Hippos are the deadliest huge terrestrial mammal on the planet. The striking colors of a poison dart frog are supposed to warn away predators. It's a good thing because these frogs are poisonous. Tigers are more likely than any other large cat to attack humans. The Champawat tiger was a Bengal tiger responsible for an estimated 436 deaths in Nepal and the Kumaon area of India. The bull shark bite is the most powerful of all sharks. The mosquito is the world's deadliest insect. attractive cone snail may spew poison that can kill a human in minutes. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.